beautiful people, lovers of freedom all over the world. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever you might be watching me from. I do appreciate your support always on this channel. I am grateful. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, I am AGATHA Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. Do well to support Biafra referendum, because in Biafra, we shall rejoice together. All right, I have a wonderful video here that I want us to watch together. I don't know how you felt about it, but I do hope you pick some sense from it. Now here is the video. Watch it and I will be right back.
Tempo kita kan je chonye ma. Mgba mmiri omanyi mmegita. Onwele obe enwekwanụ host dị ebe a. Mba. Oya. Onwe fi ye meni. Ah? Brother, put aside that gas in the leak. Can me huh? And the other connected. Hey. Potaba o si bego. Iwe ki ro meti aka kete enu gbo. Tango so property na agbo ko woro most. Oi. Ah. Mpo kan cho number ba oda kan. Ife ya medewe ya yeje n'ebe ahụ maka gas ya. Chat. Imo na have your weapon. Have your weapon. Have your weapon. Na nnọkwa. Oh.
this is what happened to him early hour of today. His house set ablaze in Nnewi. So we are watching and listening to his response, what he got to say as per this issue. Remember, these are politics. These are all politics. This has nothing to do with agitation. Remember, we have to come out earlier and debunk it and say it, because we know very well that they will mention it so. And we know it's politics. These are some of their games that they are playing. It's a dirty game and it's politics. All right, my other family, do well to share this video, like and subscribe if you haven't. See you when I see you. For now, bye.